哇！而家啲 AI 真係誇張到一個點啊！喺呢條片咧，我會嘗試下咧，有其中一 part 咧係用 AI 去 gen 我而家呢個樣出嚟嘅。大家可以估下究竟邊一 part 咧係用緊 AI 去 gen 出嚟。如果估中咗或者估唔估得中到啦，都可以嘗試喺下邊去留言嘅。今日呢條片咧，我哋會講 HeyGen。Hi， 大家好，我係阿地。今日呢條片咧，我想講下呢個哇好誇張嘅 AI 功能。我覺得咧，對於無論係 content creator，定係無論係對於你係做一啲導師，無論係補習啦或者 online 嘅導師咧，都係一啲非常之有用嘅功能嚟嘅。因為咧 HeyGen 咧而家出咗個新嘅功能，叫做互動 Avatar 啦。佢就係咧可以將你自己呢個樣 copy 咗落嚟，然之後咧擺上 Zoom 嗰度去俾人問問題。哇！你諗下呢件事係幾咁黐線，即係你可以同一時間1對1地向住1000個學生上緊堂。哇！你諗下呢件事，如果再成熟啲嘅話，呢個技術係會革命性去改變嘅。而其實 Facebook 咧都做緊類似嘅嘢，所以我相信咧喺3至5年之內咧，大家咧已經係用緊好多時間會同 AI 人去溝通啦。我哋而家呢刻咧就試下咧，即係學下點樣樣將自己都學識個影分身術啊！咁咧好簡單講下啦，咩嘢係 HeyGen 啦 ？HeyGen 咧其實係咁嘅，佢本身咧係一個工具咧，可以將你嘅樣錄低咗佢，然之後咧佢透過 AI 啦，係去學習咗你嘅動作啦，然之後你嘅聲線啦，然之後你講嘢嘅嗰個感覺啦，佢學咗呢啲嘢之後咧，佢就可以變成你喺網絡世界嘅孖生兄弟啦。呢個孖生兄弟咧，佢可以咧之後俾你輸入文字，係去講翻唔同語言嘅內容嘅，包括英文啊、越南文啊、普通話啊，諸如此類啦。所以喺呢條片裏面咧，我都會俾個示範俾大家睇下，究竟我哋而家嘅語言天分係去到幾誇張嘅。
大家好，我是阿デイ。I hope this video can help you。自分のアバターを作りたい場合は、si quieres probar HeyGen, puedes hacerlo。
好，呢個咧就係之前嘅功能啦。佢語言天分已經好誇張，我可以即刻講到好多唔同嘅 language 噶啦。但係咧嗰個重點咧係佢而家呢個新嘅功能叫做互動式嘅阿凡達啦嚇。呢個互動式嘅阿凡達咧係可以聽完你嘅問題喺 Zoom meeting 嗰度咧再答翻你嘅內容。事不宜遲，我哋入去個 mon 度去睇下。好，入到嚟電腦啦。呢個係HeyGen send 俾我嘅 email 嚟嘅。你見到咧，其實都係好近期嘅事嚟嘅啫。喺呢個10月17號先至去 launch 咗呢個 product 啦。咁佢最主要嘅 selling point 咧，我覺得話呢個真係好正嘅，就係可以 multiple 咁去 join 個唔同嘅 Zoom meeting 啦。然之後可以24小時7天冇間斷地可以參加呢啲 meeting 啦。咁有咩用咧？你諗下，其實譬如你係一個補習老師，你咪可以 keep 住地係去俾你嘅學生去查詢咯。諸如此類啦，即係教育行業，我相信或者係 CS 嘅行業咧，係真係會有好大嘅幫助嘅。我哋可以撳入去睇下。入到嚟咧，你見到佢已經有好幾個 campaign 㗎，一個就係做一個 sales representative 啦，一個就係做話俾你聽究竟佢哋嘅阿凡達有啲咩用啦，有個叫做咩 difficult conversation partner 啦，諸如此類啦咁樣。咁我哋可以試下呢一個女士啦 Vicky 啦。好，咁有得揀語言嘅，即係如果你想同佢用唔同嘅語言溝通，佢係我諗超過10幾種語言可以溝通嘅。不過咧，我試過中文咧，佢暫時係冇廣東話嘅，所以我哋不如試下英文去溝通啦咁樣。咁咧第一次 join 嘅時候咧，你係要俾 access 俾佢去用到你個 Zoom 嘅，所以呢個你要留意啦。咁我哋就撳呢個 Meet 阿凡達嘅 Zoom Now 啦。
What's your name and what scenario should we tackle today?
好嗱，佢而家已經開始去問我問題啦咁樣。咁我未開翻支咪，因為我想同大家講咗先。你就會見到咧，佢而家咧其實係做緊啲咩嘢咧？佢而家咧其實就係要問我哋攞個錄影嘅權限咁樣。
睇到呢個朋友咧，歡迎俾個 like、subscribe 同埋 share， 幫我咧一齊戰勝呢一個演算法佢。多謝你。
好，咁我哋試下開咪去同佢講嘢啦。Hello, I'm Dave. Nice to meet you.
Hey Dave, nice to meet you too. I'm your HeyGen AI roleplay partner. What kind of conversation scenario would you like to practice today?
Oh yeah, I'm quite stressful recently. So could you please talk to me, maybe just guide me to speaking something really I need to share, but I don't know how to share.
Absolutely, Dave, I'm here for you. Why don't we start by sharing what's been stressing you out? Just take it slow and remember there's no pressure. What's been on your mind lately?
Yeah, I cannot sleep very well. because I have a lot of work I need to finish, and when I wake up another day, I still need to work on other stuff, so I feel quite stressful.
That sounds really tough, Dave. It's hard when work keeps piling up, especially when it affects your sleep. Have you tried talking to someone about your workload, like a manager or a colleague? Sometimes just sharing those feelings can help lighten the load.
I don't think I can share with them because in our culture, I think they may just keep giving you the solution, but not try to listening what I'm struggling. So maybe they cannot help me. Just try to give me solution, but this is not the solution.
I get that, Dave. It can be frustrating when people jump to solutions instead of just listening. Would you like to practice how to express your feelings to someone who might not understand? Or maybe we can explore other ways to cope with your stress. What do you think?
好，我暫時嚟到呢一度先，我 stop 咗佢。咁可以 keep going 嘅呢一個對話，但係大概都明白到一樣嘢咧，就係佢係聽得明我講話，我好壓力啊，跟住佢可能一開始佢都嘗試俾啲 solution，跟住但係之後佢就話不如我同你傾下偈啦咁樣。諸如此類，所以你見到咧，佢而家呢一個功能咧係做得幾好。雖然咧佢仲係爭少少嘅，就係佢回覆嘅速度咧都唔係話好實時，但係我相信呢一個位置咧已經係好幫到手啦。所以哇，真係值得期待下。如果大家想要申請 HeyGen， 我都有條 link 俾大家去申請。可以撳呢條 link 咧去申請嘅。哇！唔知大家感唔感受到 AI 嗰個誇張嘅程度？我每一次有呢啲新嘢咧，我都覺得哇咁好誇張嘅感覺啦。好到最後啦，我哋開估一下，呢個就係最後會用嚟做分身嘅嗰 part 啦。今日呢條片咧，我想講下呢個好誇張嘅 AI 功能。我覺得咧，對於無論係 content creator 定係無論係對於你係做一啲導師，無論係補習啦或者 online 嘅導師啦，都係一啲非常之有用嘅功能嚟嘅。唔知大家估唔估到個最後答案係呢一條片咧？如果估到嘅，你喺下面可以留言；萬一估唔到嘅話咧，都可以再睇下之後嘅片，睇下究竟係點樣去做到呢啲分身出嚟嘅。咁我哋處於一個咧變化得好犀利嘅年代啊！我以前咧係覺得我做好 Google 廣告，然之後我又 Google 廣告呢間公司咁大，應該冇乜問題啦，就係 Google。咁咧，但係我發現咧，真係當 AI 嘅出現咧，其實所有嘢都變得好快，而且咧，我哋真係每一個月都唔 sure 下一個月係咪有啲再新嘅嘢出現。我個諗法有少少唔同咗咧，就係我變咗唔會淨係擁抱死某一個技術或者擁抱死某一個 platform，因為咧而家呢個時代咧，我相信係比過往嗰啲 IT 嘅時代咧都爆炸得更加犀利，個社會咧轉變亦都更加之快。所以我哋今日有啲嘢 work， 可能咧聽日嗰啲嘢咧就唔會 work 嘅。所以我哋真係好需要地係去諗清楚，我哋究竟可以點樣喺呢個時代裏面繼續跟住呢個 AI 嘅 trend， 令到我哋咧可以做得更加好。所以咧，即係咧唯一唔變嘅嘢咧，就係我哋要即係不斷去改變啦咁樣。所以中小企嘅老闆，大家加油啦！希望大家可以喺呢個 AI 或者喺呢個經濟低迷或者喺全球好似唔知點樣消費力下降嘅情況之下，大家咧都可以擁抱到個改變，揾到條出路，令到咧我哋可以做得更加好，可以保留落嚟嘅。我哋下一條片再見，拜。